Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sebom Ko of the Hana Urban Research Institute, who is in charge of capacity building program in the smart city. As you well know, Korea is developing smart city led by the government. Therefore, today's lecture is the first class to help understand Korean smart city. And especially, I will explain the definition and vision of the smart city in Korea. First, I will briefly explain the necessity of the smart city. As you can see, the urbanization rate of each country in the 1970s was less than 30% in most countries, except for major developed countries. Especially in Asia and African countries, most of them were below 20%. Since the 1990s, this trend has changed very rapidly. As you can see, Asian and African countries have rapidly urbanized along with the economic development and growth. As a result, the urbanization rate has grown rapidly to over 40%. As a result of UN survey, in 2018, most countries had an urbanization rate of 50% or more, and 55% of the world population lived in urban areas. Therefore, if the current change trend is reflected, the urbanization rate will exceed 60% in 2030 in most countries. Accordingly, in 2050, the urbanization rate is predicted to be over 68% by UN survey. And then the systematic measurement of urban growth become more necessary for sustainable development. Such rapid urbanization causes very urban problems. First, due to the increase of population, it causes very severe traffic congestion. Currently, in many cities, this traffic congestion problem is very serious. In addition, this traffic problem causes many traffic accidents, and also the air pollution is also serious. Second, there are environment issues. Most of the world's large cities have a very serious problem of fine dust. In addition, waste management is also a key issue in major cities. Third problem is urban infrastructure. As you are well known, it takes a lot of resources and time to supply proper infrastructure in urban areas. However, it is very difficult to do this in time. And also, the aging of existing infrastructure is also a serious problem. There are also energy issues. Rapid urbanization consumes a lot of energy. However, it is not easy to properly supply energy in a city. In addition, the need for transition to green energy is also increasing in accordance with eco-friendly policy in response to global climate change, which is a major national issue in your country. At the same time, there is a problem of job supply as a social problem. As people move into a city, more jobs must be provided, but this is not an easy task. In addition, urban industrial policy must be changed to supply this urban job. And also, with the transition to the era of the fourth industrial revolution, fostering high-tech industry is also an urgent issue in your country. Finally, there is the issue of city safety. Due to the large population in the city, it requires a lot of administrative power to manage safety. However, urban crime is increasing and citizen anxiety is also serious. Therefore, we need to think together about the need to solve this urban problem in a more efficient and new way. With the rise of this urban problem, we are entering a new era with the rapid emergence of new advanced IT technology. As you well know, in the era of the fourth industrial revolution, big data, AI, IoT, and self-driving technology are rapidly changing our lives. Therefore, the cities we live in must also use this advanced technology to solve major urban problems we are facing. In addition, people living in the city have very different opinions about smart city. For example, some people are thinking about a city where they can check the location in the real time through a mobile device, shop easily, and make a reservation for hobby easily and quickly. Older people are looking forward to a city where they can easily book a hospital, work safely, and live comfortably for the elderly. Young office workers also expect new cutting-edge technology to make a city more managed, more energy efficient, and free from waste and air pollution. In this way, each generation, city, and country have different view of smart city. However, what they all want in common is a smart city where they can live efficiently and comfortably. Accordingly, smart city in Korea is defined as a platform of new innovation that improve the quality of life of citizens, foster new industry, and promote urban sustainability by utilizing new advanced technologies. In particular, it reduces the cost and time required for people to live in the city and also provide a safe environment. In addition, we aim to create a city that provides many jobs to citizens by promoting new urban industry through self-driving vehicle, robot, and the sharing economy. And also, Korean Smart City aims to create a new platform for everyone by reducing the use of resources and waste and strengthening governance to provide a sustainable urban environment. Korea's rapid implementation of a smart city is because there are two major advantages. First, Korea has a world-class ICT competitiveness in smart city development. As you well know, the major Korean IT companies such as Samsung and LG are leading advanced IT industry, developing and using various technologies. As you can see, Korean citizens are also participating in smart city development based on world-class educational capability and IT utilization. In particular, Korean smart city is different from other countries in that it is not simply applying technology, but also is developing it together with the people living in the city. The second strong point is Korean urban development capability. In particular, as you can see, Korea is a country that has achieved urban innovation in a short period of time. After overcoming the ruin of the Korean War in 1950, and based on the rapid economic growth, we have accumulated urban development know-how while developing new towns and redeveloping existing cities for more than 50 years. Korea is now continuing this know-how in the smart city development. And then Korea has already been developing basic smart city since the 2000. And currently, we are focusing on how to apply smart solution in the city. Accordingly, Korean smart city vision is as follows. First, smart city in Korea target not only new city, but also existing city and aging city are also target for smart urban regeneration. Also, as mentioned earlier, we are making effort not only to develop and apply technology, but also to develop the capability of people living in a smart city. In addition, we want to create an innovation ecosystem through regulatory innovation and governance, and also building a global network in cooperation with the country you are taking today's lecture is also the direction Korean Smart City vision. In order to create such a Korean-style smart city, we first want to solve various urban problems through database services. Second, we want to create an inclusive smart city that considers all types of citizens. Lastly, we intend to strengthen global cooperation through the establishment of an innovative ecosystem. To realize this, we have prepared and implemented 4 promotion strategies. First of all, 2 national pilot smart cities are being created and developed. In addition, through support for continuous R&D project, various smart city solutions are being developed and applied. And also, we are reforming legal system and regulations. Along with this, we are continuing to build a global network. The fact that you are attending lecture here today is also part of this cooperative network program. We are implementing this promotion strategy in the mid to long-term period. And through this, we are ultimately changing the lives of the citizens. This is Korean Smart City and vision for creating a new urban environment. Today's lecture was about the definition and vision of smart city in Korea. The remaining lecture contains the contents of this detailed government strategy. If you listen to all of the remaining smart city lecture in the future, you will be able to see the true face of smart city promoted and implemented by Korea. Above all, I hope today's lecture will help you understand the definition of the smart city in Korea. And thank you for listening.